Guangzhou Sunwin Technology Company Limited is founded in Guangzhou, which had achieved Chinese government's medical device manufacturer enterprise license, the European Union CE, ROHS certificates, and a comprehensive ISO 13485 quality system. Sunwin is a professional manufacturer of medical and beauty equipment. Customized service like OEM, ODM is available. As one of the professional Chinese cosmetic fields, Sunwin is focused on medical and beauty equipment production, strictly quality control, professional service. We have very strong beauty apparatus design and production capacity with many beauty apparatus production lines in our own mold industrial department and dust-free workshop. With strictly quality inspection department and strong technological development department created by many experienced engineers and responsible engineering department with many PE experts, RD, personnel, a professional purchasing department with professional purchasing personnel, a clinical test division department with professional advisor, a strong sales department held by a group of sales elites with pre-sale and after-sales service department, and kindly service people. We have ability to design and produce hot sale medical and beauty instrument for customers. Our team can provide you professional technology according to your ideas, need, and samples. Quality is Sunwin's culture. We will help to form a unique marketing finally. We do RD production. You do marketing. Sunwin is looking forward to establish long-term win-win cooperation relationship with potential distributors around the world.